Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Securely mount your phone in a vibration-damping holder and fit a waterproof case so rain won't end navigation. Next, pair Bluetooth or plug in a wired headset so voice directions reach your helmet. This keeps you focused on the road. Open Google Maps, enter your destination, and choose a route. Once done, tap Start. Make sure your screen timeout is disabled, and angle the display to avoid glare so you can glance safely while riding. You now refine the route and navigation behavior so guidance matches riding conditions. Open route options and deselect highways or tolls if you prefer safer, slower roads. Choose alternative routes to preview turns. In settings, raise voice guidance and enable repeated alerts so you won't miss a cue under wind noise. Download offline maps for corridors you'll cross. Once done, Google Maps will continue routing even with patchy data. Finally, preview critical junctions so you know what to expect before you arrive. You're on the road. Listen to audio cues and glance at the screen only when safe. Trust voice prompts for timing. If GPS drift or a wrong turn happens, let Google Maps recalculate. Tap alternate routes if needed. Should the mount loosen or screen glare become unreadable, pull over and adjust. Once done, confirm Bluetooth and volume levels. If voice guidance stops, reconnect your headset, force close, and restart the app. Or switch to downloaded offline maps, so navigation continues without mobile.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.